been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating. Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. My name is Keela. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do an eyebrow tutorial to show you guys how I get my eyebrows or how I do my eyebrows. So I hope this video is helpful. I know it's been a long time coming. I've been saying over and over I was going to get an eyebrow tutorial out. So I hope this video helps you guys a lot. If you're interested in this makeup look, I do have a video coming out with it. So I hope you guys enjoy that as well. Check it out. But without further ado, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so the products I'll be using today is my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and my Makeup Revolution brow gel in the color dark brown. So what I like to do is brush all my eyebrow hairs up using the spoolie. At this time, if you needed to, you would trim up your hairs, kind of get them to your liking. And what I like to do is start in the middle of my brow, or toward the front, and I like to draw a line, just going straight out to the corner, so it will stop about right here. And then I like to go up top and start about right here in the same area and outline the top of my eyebrow. So sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? You don't have to worry about trying to get it perfect, because you can always go back in with your concealer and shape them up the way you want them to be. But now I'm just going to do light strokes to fill in the rest of my eyebrow. Okay, so once I get that part filled in, I like to go in and fill in the rest of my tail. So I'll just take a little line and connect it. And then again, take light strokes to fill that in to your liking. And then now we go to the front, and this is where we're going to do our eyebrow hairs right here. We have to draw in some fake hairs. And so I like to take really, really light strokes going upwards to fill that part in. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me. And then I'll take the other end, my spoolie, and blend everything together. Okay, and then we're going to jump over and do the eyebrow. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other eyebrow. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. And this side doesn't have as many hairs as this side, so it takes me a little bit longer to draw the eyebrow hairs. And remember, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. Sometimes they look like stepsisters, but they won't always be perfect. And honestly, it takes practice. If you want to get them to a certain, look. It takes practice. It takes a lot of practice. That's really the best thing you can do, is just practice. Like, get in the mirror, get you a cheap eyebrow pencil, and just get in the mirror and draw. I mean, just get in there till you get them how you want. There is no easy way to do it but practice, honestly. So now I'm gonna take my eyebrow gel just to set my hairs in place. This is a tinted eyebrow gel. You don't necessarily have to have one, but I like to use it because it makes my eyebrows look a little bit more fuller. And this just keeps your eyebrows in place the whole day, so you don't have to worry about them moving or coming off. And I'll do the same thing with the other eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna go in with my spoolie that I had on this pencil and just blend everything out. Now, if your eyebrows are cleanly shaping like mine, you could actually just stop here and not do anything else. But at this point, if I was just like in a rush, I would just do the eyebrows, put some lip gloss on, throw my lashes on, and go. But I plan on doing a glam-ish look today, so I'm going to go ahead and conceal them just to make them pop a little more. And I'm going to use my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer in the color Deep. And I'm looking for, I like to use a flat brush when I do this. So I'm going to use this brush, a little flat brush, just to conceal it. And this is the part where I said if you don't necessarily have them perfect, you can go in and clean them up and make them look how you want them to look. I like to start with my tail and just clean up the bottom part. If your eyebrows aren't, shaped up, you can always use concealer to cover up the eyebrow hairs as well. When picking a shade to do underneath your eyebrows, you want to go a shade that's maybe one shade lighter, 1 to 2 shades lighter. I wouldn't go no more than 2, honestly, if you want to keep it looking natural. And as for the top, you can use a foundation color, your foundation color, or you can use the concealer as well. Since my concealer isn't really all that light, I'll probably just put the same concealer on the top and then take my foundation and blend it out. I really don't have to do the top. The top actually look pretty good. Just throw a little bit up there anyways. Just take a brush and blend it out. And I'm gonna go back in with my pencil and just fill that in just a little bit more, just because I want it to be a little bit more defined. There we have it. I'm gonna fill the tail in just a little bit more over here. But there we have it. Hope y'all can see that this is how I do my eyebrows. This is my current eyebrow routine. And there we have it. Okay guys, this is how I do my eyebrows. I hope this video was informative. I hope it helped you guys. Like I said, honestly, it just takes practice and practice and practice. And even then, you'll have good eyebrow days and you'll have bad eyebrow days. But, you know, the important thing is to keep practicing and not to give up. And before you know it, you'll be able to put them on in like 5 minutes, no lie. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for the support. As always, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Somebody told me I should hit and